Step into the next level of metal detecting with the Seasoned Searcher Pack. Inside the pack, you'll find everything you need to master the hunt, plus an extra free coil, the SC24, perfect for high trash areas and tight spaces where precision matters. The Seasoned Searcher Pack provides the gear, the technology, and the performance needed for every serious detectorist. Along with Triple Score, the pack includes a stylish cap, a fines pouch, a premium digger, a Nokta Pinpointer, wireless Bluetooth headphones, and a carrying bag to keep it all together. Featuring simultaneous multi-frequency technology, Triple Score adapts to every terrain, delivering exceptional depth and accuracy. From beaches to fields, from wet sand to mineralized ground, no target goes undetected. Fast recovery speed, advanced discrimination, and a fully waterproof design make it the ultimate tool for serious detectorists.